If you are a business owner who is into buying and selling, then I have something excellent for you. I have created a sales management system that makes it easy for you to know exactly what is happening to your business, even if you are not there. So, take for example, you travel abroad to relax, and your boy who is in Kaduna, Onitsha, Lagos, Port Harcourt, or any other place your business is located, they will be using this sales system, and you will get to know exactly how much the business has made on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, on a quarterly basis, and on a yearly basis. Meaning, this system will just be your eye and you get to see everything. If a customer buys something in Onitsha, you who is in the UK will see it immediately. That's exactly what the system can do. So let me just give you a brief overview of how it works. If you want to purchase this powerful system, click the link attached to this video to make payment, and access will be given to you to download. Now, rest assured that I have a more detailed guide attached to the folder where you download this document so you can actually explore more to understand more. But for now, let me just give you a brief overview. All you need to do is to click login, then you enter your username and also enter your password, and then click enter and everything opens. If you do not enter your username and password, you won't be able to make any changes. Now, after you've opened the Excel file, the only thing you need to do is navigate to the settings page, and then you change all of this information so it can capture your business details. I hope you get the message. After that, then you go to the product table. You can see I have specified a sample product for you to understand, but you can change all of this. Now, be rest assured that across the entire system, any text you see in blue similar to this, you can actually change it. But anything that the text is not in blue, you won't be able to change this because it will be locked. The reason is to protect people who are not very, familiar with Excel in order not to change how things are done. So after you've entered your product details, if a customer comes and wants to buy something, you just come to the top and enter their name. Or if you've entered a name all to this level, then you move to the next line and enter the customer's name. That's the only thing you need to enter. And after that, you can just navigate to the invoice sheet, which is this, and then begin to enter your invoice. So the information you enter in the setting sheet is exactly what will just populate here. Then you can click on this button here, change the logo to a different picture, and then you are good to go. Then you click here, select a customer, enter the customer details and other information as explained in detail after you've purchased this system. Then you select a product of your choice. You can see you double click and select any product of your choice that a customer wants to buy. So all of these products is coming from the product table. It is based on what I enter here that will now appear in this list for me to choose. I hope you understand. So you can select products all the way to 19. After that, then you come and specify their quantity. So for each product, how many units or how many quantity a customer wants to buy. After you've entered that, the price will be automatically calculated based on the price you've entered when you are trying to impute your product. I hope you get the message. After that, then you just scroll down. It will show you the total amount the customer is supposed to pay. Then you just enter the amount here, something like this. Enter the amount here, and then you hit enter. Then you come back here, you select their payment method, either they are paying in cash, in bank transfer, or any other information. You can see that the balance is 0. After that, then you just come here, then you click save. It will now save the record so that the record will appear on the dashboard for people to see. I hope you understand. After this has been saved, then you can now click print, and then you connect your printer and print it for the customer. Then you customer can actually go with the receipt. So the information, the payment detail, the product detail, the customer detail, and many other things will be stored in this sheet. And at the end of the day, you can go back to your dashboard and click on this to know your daily sales. can see for today, this is the sales that has been made based on the record I entered. Then maybe if I made a sale for 1 week, then I can actually change this into weekly sales and I will see how the sale look like. Then you can also, change it to monthly after you've made sales for several months. Everything that happens in the business, the moment you enter the invoice and issue it out, it will reflect in the dashboard. So you who is the boss can actually connect your boy who is in Lagos so that your boy will be in your shop collecting customers' information and creating invoice for them, then saving it. Then you who is in vacation in the UK or the US or any other place you went for a business meeting, you can just open this dashboard and you will see exactly what has been happening. And one beautiful thing about this is that it happens in real time. The moment it still happen, you don't need to start calling your boy on the phone. Emeka, have you called on them? Have they make payment? Have you seen it? No. How much did you make? You don't need all of that. You don't need to start moving with books and paper receipts everywhere. No, 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 no. You don't need all of that. You just need this system and everything is solved for you. It will make work easier. It will help you keep track of what is happening so that if a customer buys well from you, you can actually know which customer is that and you reward them. That is what the smart business owners do to improve their business. So this is an opportunity for you to replicate the same thing. Like I said, if you are interested, click the link attached to this video to purchase this. I'm giving it out as an affordable rate. And if you want me to come to your business location and show you how to use the system, I will do that because I created it myself. I hope you understand. So after the whole thing, if you are tired and you want to go to sleep after the business for the day, you just come to this button by the side here and then you click log out. And that's all. Nobody can come here and tamper with it unless if they have the username and password, which is something you can personally give to them or you add them as a user. For more detailed information about how all of this system works, purchase this sales management system and I have a long video that go into detail explaining everything. If you are interested in other systems I have created, check my website. They are there and available. An example is the accounting management system. And if you have something specific in mind that you want me to create for you that will help you monitor your business very well, send me a message using the contact displayed below or send me a message using my WhatsApp number and I will begin to work on it. In the meantime, enjoy your system, be more productive and boost your business to the next level. Then I will see you on the other side.